Vancouver, are you ready? Tonight, I want all of you tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not make tomorrow. Just do it tonight, don't care what they say. Come on, everybody, come on. Nothing is enough to make heaven love. I want you tonight. I want you to say, I want you tonight. Get somebody sexy, tell them, hey, come on. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything. Excuse me, more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could. Tonight, I'ma make you feel so good tonight. Cause then I might make tomorrow. What are you guys over there? Everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not make tomorrow. Come on, let's do it tonight. Come on, let's do it tonight. Let's do it. Let's do it tonight. I have a good feeling about tonight. What about you? You have a good... I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Woo! Tonight, let's give it up. I got my money. Let's spend it up. Get down and go. I'm blue, da-ba-dee-da-ba down, da-ba-dee-da-ba down, da-ba-dee-da-ba down. I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best every night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Yeah, I'm good, come on! I'ma have the best every night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Woo! I'm good, da-ba-dee. Nais ko lang malaman mo ang laman ng aking puso. Baka di na mabigyan ng ibang pagkakataon na sabihin ito sa'yo. Di ko ito ginusto na tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo. Damdamin lang hindi magtagpo. Hirap sabihin, paalam na aking mahal. Masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring bilang laan sa isa't isa. having such a good time with you guys. Nakakatuwa kayo. Okay. Sino naman ang gustong mag-zoom? Aking mahal, masakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan ba, puso't isip ay magkaiba. Maaring di lang sa isa't isa. I'm having such a good time with you guys. Nakakatuwa kayo. Okay. Sino naman ang gustong mag-zoom? Walang tigil ang gulo sa aking pag-iisip mula nang tayo nagpasya. Nagpaalam pagkat hindi tayo nagkapagtataka. Hindi ko man napangakot o di kaya sa ating mga tampuhan walang hanggang katapusan. Namahid na mga luha, damdamin ng puso'y tigang, wala nang maibubuga, wala na akong maramdaman. Kung tunay tayong nagmamahalan, ba't di tayo magkasunduan? I have loved you only in my mind, but I know that there will come a time you'll feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the morning, a special way. Here beside me all the time. I have loved you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you. I'm a think I know I am, memorize all the lines, but here I am, shopping for words, I still don't know what to say. Kayo naman! What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could cry. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. Here beside Maninindi kayo naman. Kailangan at para bang ako'y mababaliw. Sabihin mo ako'y mahal mo rin. Muna mahal kita. Sabihin mo sana. Kailangan minamahal kita. Ingapin mo sana. Kahit me back to the year 1989. Lagi kong naaalala ang kanyang tindigan forma. At kapag siya ay nakita, kinikilig ako talaga. Di naman siya sobrang gwapo, ngunit siya ay tatay ko. Bakit ba ganito ang nadarama ng puso ko? Minsan siya ay nakausap, ako ay parang nasa ulap. Nang ako'y kanyang titigan, kaya nung sarap. Tunay na kapag-ibig, lagi kang nananaginip. Pagkasama mo siya, ay ligaya na walang patig. Everybody, come on! Mister! Ako na may tulungan mo. Ba't hindi panahin ang kanyang damdamin? Nang ako'y makansin, Mister! Mr. Cupido, sa kanya nadadet ako. Huwag mo nang nagdala ng paghihirap ng puso ko. Nasaan ang mga KSP? It's been 3 years since my last show here. The last time I performed for it was another festival. Di ko alam kung may nakapanood nung time na yun with Timmy Pavino at the time. Pero dahil 3 years ago na yun, na-miss ko kayong lahat. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Yeah. Alright, so sobrang swerte lang talaga na ako ang napili na performer for this year's Pinoy Festival. Let's give them a big round of applause. I'm in good company kasi balita ko ang mga naging past performers daw dito ay si Concert King Martin Rivera at ang kasing gwapo din naman na anak ni Papa P. Last year daw, di ba? Inigo.
Yes.
Ang cute din. Ano ba? Di ba? Ngayon naman, Rachel Alejandro, thank you so much. Kasi alam ko, you know what? Alam ko na busy kayong lahat. Dahil ang daming happenings ngayon dito sa Vancouver, di ba?
Yes.
Lalong-lalo na Father's Day din. So, syempre maraming mga nasa bahay, mga nagluto, mga naghanda para sa mga tatay natin. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga nag-attend ngayon dito. As many of you may have heard, this is the second year since I lost my dad last year. And I have to say na ang feeling ko, kasi alam nyo, lagi kaming magkasama pag Father's Day. Either may concert kaming dalawang magkasama or nagdi-dinner out, lunch out, ganyan. But I feel like, lalong-lalo na sa mga tagahanga ni Haji Alejandro na nandito ngayon, may mga kolehiyala ba na kinilabutan kay Haji Alejandro nung araw? Ayan, oh! Yung iba nagmamaang-maangan pa. Kunya-kunyari mga ano, Jume Gen Z, ganon. Generation X here, di ba? And yun, so he is, I know he performed here some kabila. Let's go! Come on, everybody! Basic. Talking away. I don't know what to say it anyway. Today's another day to find you. Flying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me up. I'll be gone in a day or two. Needless to say, basic. That's me. Giving. Together, come on. Rock. 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 Rock, baby, rock. Rock it to my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say we'll never part. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bigaya, ha ha ha. Ang isasayaw ko, oh ha ha. Awitin ko, at isasayaw ko. Oh, ah, ah. Maraming salamat, Vancouver! I love you guys! I'll see you all again, but I'll be right there for all of you magpapahook. Check it out, the Punas. Alright, you guys sing it? You wanna sing it? It's your turn, come on! Ganun lang na lagi ka nakikinggan. Magkakailanman. Woo! Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan, napakalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Oh, oh, oh. Awitin mo. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. See you guys in a bit. Thank you.